Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss some of the new changes when completing an invoice in RMS. Now let's get started. In this demonstration, a contractor has already submitted a progress payment to the government and is awaiting review. For more detailed information on how to complete an invoice in government mode, please see the link in the description box below. Navigate to the Finances tab, then click on the Progress Payment module and enter into the most recent invoice. The dates in the pay period from and through have already been filled out, along with the payment invoice date and invoice receive dates. Since this invoice has already been screened for any possible errors, we will continue to the Additional Earnings tab to mark the total allowed earnings for this pay period box. Doing so will allow us to proceed to the Obligations tab and complete the ENG93 form. If we take note in the invoice completion field, you will notice a new button, Contractor Signature Required. In previous versions of RMS, the contractor was not able to sign the ENG93 document unless it was outside of the RMS program. If your district policy does not require a contractor signature on the ENG93, then you may leave this box unchecked and proceed with marking the ENG93 completed checkbox. Please reference your district policy before continuing. For this demonstration, a contractor signature will be required. Once we have marked this box, we will now complete the ENG93. Once this box has been checked, an ENG93 form will be added to the document package. If we navigate to the Document Package tab, we can verify that the form has been added to the contractor side of the document package. As a reminder, the contractor will only be able to view what has been added to that specific document package. We will now show the contractor view of signing the ENG93 document. If we switch over to the contractor view, we can now see the status of payment reflects waiting for contractor signature. Navigate to the document package and proceed to sign as the payee contractor.
Select the document, then click Sign Selected Documents button at the top. Select the document once more and then click Next. Now click Finish. Enter your PIN or password, then click Sign.
We can click the View Document button to verify that our signature has been added in the appropriate section. As we can see in Block 13D, the signature has been added. If we head back to RMS, we can now submit this for review and continue in government mode to complete this process.
Click the Submit for Review button at the bottom, then click Yes.
In the government window, we can now see the document status changed to In Review. Once we enter the document, we will proceed to sign the document as the preparer. Following the same process as before, click Sign Selected Documents, select the document, click Next, verify the document signature position is correct, then click Finish. Enter your PIN or password, then click Sign. We will do this one more time to sign as a government approver. This is typically done by a COR or a different designated representative. Click Sign Selected Documents, select the document, click Next, verify the document signature for approver is correct, then click Finish. Enter your PIN or password, then click Sign. Now that we have all the signatures, we can now verify the document to be sure that the correct signatures have been added to their correct locations. As we can see, all the signatures have been placed correctly. Since each district has their own signing policies, if a manual signature is necessary, after you have signed a re-uploaded document to the document package, a proper naming convention must be added to the document title in order for RMS to recognize an updated version of the ENG93. RMS automatically generates a title for the document invoice. Rename your document to match the pre-generated title with the exception of the last digit in parentheses, then upload accordingly. Now it's time to complete this document package and send to CEFMS. We can do this by clicking the Accept Package button, then click Yes. The status now reflects Ready to Send to PCF. Documents will not be sent to PCF unless they have been accepted by the government. This rule is also applicable to the Prompt Payment Certificate. If we click the Back button, we can see that both the Prompt Payment Certificate and ENG93 documents have been accepted. We can also see that the ENG93 signed and Prompt Pay signed columns display a key icon that signifies that documents have been signed. These will be the only documents routed to PCF from this document package. We can finish this invoice by heading back to the Obligations tab and clicking the Send Payment to CEFMS button. For this demonstration, this contract has not been set up for CEFMS, so no information will be routed. If we click the Back button, we can see the Payment Status section display the appropriate check marks indicating the completed invoice.
In summary, we have discussed the new changes to completing an invoice and how to verify proper completion in RMS. As a reminder, it is important that you adhere to all district policies before signing or submitting any documents to PCF. If there are any questions or issues, please refer to any district policies for further guidance. If there are any technical issues prohibiting abilities to signing documents within RMS, please contact the RMS Support Help Desk by submitting a support ticket. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.